Hi, my name is Ron Harris from Harris Backhoe and Dump Truck Service, Inc. out of Lodi, California. I've been buying case products from Sunsray Equipment for over 10 years, dealing with the sales rep, Mike Titus, and their product is absolutely phenomenal on service, repairs, and parts. All major equipments have failures and breakdowns, and Sunsray's Equipment's service department is on time 24/7 to get my equipment up and running.
Hi, my name is Mike Titus with Sunsray Machinery, located in Stockton, California. I've been dealing with Ron and Harris Backhoe for over 10 years. It's been a pleasure to work with every year. He's bought multiple pieces of machinery, CX210, a CX145 excavator, and a few backhoes. It's always great dealing with good people, and I'm happy he's a customer with Sunsray Machinery.